Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the fragment goodbye animation. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you can do is install the Pixverse, and if you are the user of the Android phone, then you can install it first from the Play Store. And so does this application can be installed from the App Store if you are the user of the iOS. And after that, you can simply open this app, and also don't forget to do the sign up or log in first with your email. So this application, will give you the several credits over here. For the new user, they will give you the 60 credits. And if you run off of that, don't worry because it will be renewed every single day at UTC 0 following your time zone. This is the information, 60 credit. And since we would like to create the goodbye fragment, then we will go to the template, and I will choose this searching section and type goodbye keyword, goodbye petals of goodbye. There you go. This is the effect that we will use. You can just click it, and this will direct you into the picture or the gallery that you can use the picture from your gallery to do the animation. For example, I will choose this picture, and as you can see that this animation will need 20 credits, and since we have 40 credits left, so it will be enough. So you can just continue to click the create, and you can wait for the generating process, and you can also explore more about the another user creation. And as you can see, we have just received the notification that the video is ready. Then we can just open it from the notification menu, and let's see the result. Wow, That is that's pretty cool, right? So you can start to download it by click this button or this button, and also you can simply share it to your favorite social media over here. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more about this application. And don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more on another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.